1, 2, 3, come on!
To have a intellect like you, sir, as a keynote speaker. And instead, it is a very precious moment for me because you being my teacher. And I remember your lectures and with the, enthusiasm you used to take those lectures. So it's really an honor for me to be
Thanks.
you for our college function.
Thank you. Thank you, Milan. It's my pleasure.
A very good morning to one and all. On behalf of Principal K.M. Kundani College of Pharmacy, I, Alifia Lahiri, Assistant Professor of Pharmacy, would like to take this opportunity to welcome our dignitaries, Mr. Kishu Mansukhani, President and Trustee of the HSNC Board, our keynote speaker for today, Professor Paradkar, our speakers, Dr. Sathe and Professor Benjamin Whiteside, our principal, Dr. Urmila Joshi, coordinator for Attal FDP, Dr. Mrinal Sanaye, co-coordinator, Dr. Rajni Athavle, and participating faculty members to the AICTE-sponsored online faculty development program on emerging trends in drug engineering, held from today, that is the 30th of August, to the 3rd of September. AICTE Training and Learning Academy, commonly known as ATAL, is an initiative by the All India Council for Technical Education to conduct faculty training programs and for fostering innovation and skill development in various domains of academics. We look forward to a successful training program over the next 5 days. I strongly encourage each of you to become actively engaged in various course sessions conducted by reputed national and international speakers. I welcome you all. As we begin with our journey of knowledge, we recognize that divine blessings and guidance contribute greatly to our progress, which is why we would like to begin by invoking the blessings of Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, who represents the free flow of wisdom and consciousness. With this, we begin with the invocation ceremony.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
Thank you. We would now like to present a short video to give our attendees a glimpse of our institute. I would now like to call upon Dr. Urmila Joshi, Principal of KM Kundanani College of Pharmacy, to address the session.
Thank you, Alifia. It is my proud privilege to present the college information in the 50th year of the college, and I welcome all the dignitaries and the participants to this AICT sponsored faculty development program. The journey for KM Kundanani College, which is managed by HSNC board, started with the visionary leaders of HSNC board, late Vidyasagar Principal Kundanani and late Barrister Advani. The institution, the management manages multiple colleges. It was established in 1922 in the Sindh province, moved to Mumbai in 1947, manages 16 colleges which offer higher and technical education and 8 schools. Apart from our college, the other illustrious institutes managed by HSNC board include KC College, HR College, RD National College, Thadumal Shahani Engineering College and CHM College. This management is a Sindhi linguistic minority. The trustees, our president, Mr. Kishu Mansukhani, who is here today with us, Mr. Anil Harish, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Mr. Lal Cheraram, and Mrs. Maya Shahni. Our college was established in June 1971 and we have completed 50 years. This is a grant-in-aid college, the grant being received by Government of Maharashtra. Our course is permanently affiliated to University of Mumbai. We have been accredited thrice by NBA. We have ranked 73 in the latest NIRF ranking. We are approved by AICT, PCI and UGC under 2F and 12B. We offer, apart from undergraduate courses, masters and PhD courses in pharmacy. Our vision is to become the center of excellence of pharmacy education and research, to provide world-class professionals and to serve humanity at large. And we are working towards it with our mission to provide excellent educational environment with dedicated faculty for creating quality professionals in the field of pharmacy, education, research, industry, hospital, and other related areas. In achieving our mission, we have dedicated faculty and good dedicated non-teaching staff. This is a photograph of our students. Of course, this is taken 1.5 years back, the photograph. The next slide shows the research credentials of KMK. Research is being done at UG, PG, PhD level, and faculty is actively involved in research. We have been receiving a lot of funding from the government, which includes ICMR. In last 4 or 5 years, we have received funding from ICMR. University of Mumbai, we receive every year the research project funding. We have received a huge amount of nearly 80 lakhs from DST Feast, then DST SERB, AICT, multiple projects from AICT. The titles of the projects being done by faculty are shown here on these slides. These are the titles of the projects of Mumbai University grants. Our collaborations include collaborations with University of British Columbia, Institute of Chemical Technology, TIFR, Dr. Paleb's Lab, Nair Dental College, D.Y. Patil University, NMIMS, and some more. The next slide. We are actively involved in doing industry projects, and the major industry projects we have received regarding herbal formulation development, pharmacological evaluation of herbals, phytochemical evaluation of herbals, analysis of pharmaceutical and nutraceuticals, as well as a lot of toxicity projects which we are involved in doing. The companies ACG, US Vitamin, Pharmanza, Dhoot Papeshwar, Solumix, SRS, and some more companies which have funded us. All this work of government and industry sponsored research project has resulted in about 120 plus publications in last 5 years. There were multiple oral presentations, and our students have won many awards for the oral presentations and poster presentations. These awards include Avishkar Awards, that is the research convention by University of Mumbai. Other best presentation awards which are won by undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD students, as well as faculty who has won research awards. These are some of the glimpses of our winner students. Next slide. This is the Dr. Mrunal Sanaye. In the next slide, it is seen, won the international award for her best paper presentation. Some more photographs here. Miss Nehal Fande, our PhD student, is a recipient of Prime Minister Research Fellowship, which has been given to a very few, I think about 100 students all over India. We are proud that our college student is a recipient. Because of a lot of industry contacts, their involvement in our research, their involvement in our teaching, we have received platinum grade in AICT CII survey consistently since 2017, and we were nominated for the AICT award in the year 2019. The industry projects have also resulted in patent filing. Our 4 of our faculty members have filed patents. These are some of the glimpses of seminars and conferences which have been conducted by the college. The next slide shows the scholarship winners. Short scholarship is a prestigious scholarship given to the BPharm students all over India, and every year at least one of our students, and this 2019 there were 3 students who were recipient of the short scholarship. Our students have won awards, participated and won awards in the extracurricular activities. Next slide. These are some of the pictures of the extracurricular activities. Then we also undertake industry and hospital visits to update the knowledge of our students. And these are some of the glimpses of industry and hospital visit. Webinars, a lot of webinars were conducted in 2020, and the best one I think was by Dr. Paradkar sir. Last year, sir, you have conducted a webinar for our students, and we have received a very good feedback about the same. We have also started some new courses. The important one was about herbal patenting. The second one was for the students how to drive a research projects. The third also for the students on Synthon, a retrosynthetic approach. And the fourth course, this is in collaboration with the industry and completely run by industry. This is a data integrity foundation course for the pharma industry, which has been very relevant in the Indian scenario. With all these activities, our students get very good placements, and I think we must be leading all the Mumbai colleges for the placement. Our placement ratio is about 90 to 96%, even in these difficult times. And the top recruiters include Lupin, Cipla, Innodata, MacLeod's, TCS, Sun Pharma, HDFC. Our students have gone in the pharma industry, the allied industry, clinical research, everywhere. We are in the 50th year. We have been very proud of our alumni, and some of the illustrious alumni include Mr. Glenn Saldana, Chairman and Managing Director of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. I think everybody knows that his company was the company which introduced Favipiravir for the first time in India. And we have Mrs. Madhu Hemrajani. She's a Managing Director of Hemo Pharma. Mrs. Aditi Kare Panandikar, who is Managing Director of Indoco Remedies. She's also there on our governing board. Mr. Aditya Marfatia, Director of Electrolab Groups, all over India. I think the machines, the dissolution machines are mainly provided by Electrolabs. Mr. Rohit Shelatkar, who is a Managing Director, Vita Biotics UK. He's also a film producer, and we are proud to state that he is our alumnus. Dr. Girish Gupchup, he is a Director, University Community Initiatives, Professor, School of Pharmacy at Southern Illinois University. Dr. Pramod Yevle, who is a Vice Chancellor of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University. Then, some more alumni whom we are very proud of. Mr. Bharat Mehta, who is a founder, owner and managing director of Aquatic Remedies. Mr. Bhupendra Sangani, who is the founder, managing director of Galantic Pharma. Dr. Prasanna Gore, chairman, Pharma Company Inc., founder and chief strategy officer, Saffron RX at USA. Riddhi Mehta Javeri, who is the founder. All of them are entrepreneurs. Mrs. Pooja Krishnani Shah, who is a global head digital transformation strategy of MSD. Mrs. Sangeeta Tanwani Pendurkar, who is the CEO of Pantaloons. So, with this tradition, we will strive hard not only to maintain but excel in further years. With this, I thank everyone for joining this Atal FDP inauguration program. And I hand over to Alifia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to introduce Mr. Kishu Mansukhani, the President and Trustee of the HSNC Board. He graduated in Mechanical Engineering from the US and began working with the Tata Group of Industries for international marketing of vehicles. For his distinguished work in recognition of establishing Tata Mercedes-Benz products, he was given a citation by the German Chamber of Commerce. He is also a recipient of awards from the President of Seychelles and Uganda. During his tenure with Tata, he was the CEO of VIL, an international company under Tata Inc., New York. In the US, he had been active in socio-cultural activities and founded the New York Asian American Lions Club. He was honored with an award from the District Governor of the International Lions Club Association. Mr. Mansukhani is actively involved in social and humanitarian activities in India. He is associated with the Sadhu Vaswani mission and facilitated in conducting more than 2 lakh eye operations free of cost in Maharashtra and surrounding areas. He is also the founder member and 3 times president of the International Sindhi Chamber of Commerce, Pune. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much for the congratulated introduction. Very good morning to all of you. Our keynote speaker, Mr. Anand Pedarkar from University of Bedford, UK. Dr. Minhal Sanaz, Principal Dr. Urmila Joshi, Rajni Savle, teaching and non-teaching staff, and above all, my dear students and participants. I welcome you all on this program. This inaugural session of 5-day online AICTE sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program organized by Principal K.M. Kundnani College of Pharmacy, the first pharmacy college established by HNCP Board. Principal Kundnani College of Pharmacy is one of the precious jewels among our HNCP Board, which educates every year more than 45,000 students in our institutions located all over Bombay and in neighborhood. This college was established in 1971 and carries a whole age lineage of excellent pharmacy teaching and contributes to the development of many eminent pharmacists who have made their ranks in the field of pharmacy. Our learned principal mentioned few names who have shined and have made us proud. I congratulate Principal K.M. Kundnani College of Pharmacy for getting approval to conduct this first line AICTE sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program. Emerging trends in drug engineering. I am particularly glad that the college is conducting this program in this golden jubilee year. I am thankful to AICTE for supporting this faculty development program by funding it. Faculty vitality is a main aspect of society to enhance professional education and competence among the young generation. Enriching the faculty vitality in key domains of teaching and assessing, research professionalism and administration perceived to be improved educational environment all over. Faculty development programs play a key role in molding teachers to face challenges in research. I am hopeful that this faculty development program will be interactive and will benefit all the participants to update their knowledge and apply it in teaching and research to guide students on the right way. I am thankful to the eminent speakers being and willing to share their knowledge, and to all enthusiastic participants from all over India to be part of the faculty development program. I express my warm gratitude to keynote speaker, Dr. Anand Pardalkar of University of Bedford, UK, for gracing this faculty development program with his kind presence. Sir, nice to have you with us. I appreciate the efforts of Principal Urmila Joshi and her team for organizing this wonderful program. I wish all the best for qualifying training program with flying colors. Stay safe, keep learning. Learning is never ending. Thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Jhulelal. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon the FDP coordinator, Dr. Mrinal Sanaye, Associate Professor of Pharmacology and in charge head of the Department of Pharmacology, to give us a brief overview about the session and explain the rules for the same.
Thank you, Alicia. Good morning to all, and I welcome our President, Dr. Kishuman Sukhani, our keynote speaker, Dr. Anand Paradkar, our Principal Madam, Dr. Urmila Joshi, my all dear faculty members, and all dear delegates to this AICTE-sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program on Emerging Trends in Drug Engineering, which will commence from today, that is 30th August to 3rd September 2021. Thanks for joining and gracing inauguration ceremony of our Atal FDP. I wholeheartedly thank all delegates who have registered from all areas of India and have chosen our FDP among many FDPs available on Atal portal. Let me share with you some important features of Atal FDP. This FDP will be a 5-day online development program which will be conducted using Microsoft Team platform. Minimum 3 sessions will be conducted on each day, and each session will be of 90 minutes duration, followed by question answer and discussion forum of 30 minutes. I request all the delegates to join the session 5 minutes prior to the scheduled time. The joining link of the teams will be open 15 minutes before scheduled time. Please be attentive for all sessions. The attendance link will be shared twice, one before lunch and another after lunch, in WhatsApp group, which will remain open for 20 minutes after sharing. The link will be also posted on the chat box in the meeting. The assessment will be conducted on 5th day of the FDP, that is on 3rd September 2021, and link for the assessment will also be shared on WhatsApp group and will be also mailed to you. The assessment link on the 5th day will remain open till 8 p.m. on the same day. If you want to put your questions, please put them in the chat box during the sessions. Speakers will answer them during question answer session. During the session, if you wish to interact with the speaker, please raise your hand. Microphone will be enabled to you only if the speaker wishes to talk with you. On raising hand during question answer session, microphone will be enabled depending upon the time available and number of delegates who are wishing to speak. You are requested to log in the session using either laptop, desktop, mobile, any one of these device, and certainly not through the 2 devices at same time. The videos of all the sessions will be uploaded on the Atal portal. Certificate will be issued to all successful participants on Atal portal who have attended the program with minimum 80% attendance and have secured minimum 60% marks in assessment conducted on 5th day, that is 4th September 2021, after submitting overall feedback on Atal portal. This feedback on the Atal portal will be available on 5th day of the FDP and there onwards. Using your login credentials, the participant can see their attendance, test marks, and can even download a certificate from AICTE Atal portal. In addition to this, we will also share a feedback link each day at the end of the FDP in chat box as well as on the WhatsApp group, which will remain open till 8 p.m. on that day, and I request all the participants to even fill that feedback. During valedictory function, we will surely like to hear from you. So I'm sure that every one of you will be now inquisitive about what is going to be a learning outcome of this FDP, what are going to be the takeaways. And as a coordinator, I assure that all the participants of this FDP will surely get a deep insight and knowledge on various emerging trends in field of research, drug development, drug engineering, which will be helpful in designing novel strategies in your areas of research. This FDP is going to be a confluence of several eminent national as well as international speakers from academics and industry, covering all aspects of drug engineering like innovation and technology transfer in academics, novel therapeutic targets for drug discovery like engineered proteins as therapeutic candidates, green chemistry and its applications in therapeutics, role of network pharmacology in screening, advances in preclinical screening technique, translational research, spectroscopic characterization of biotherapeutics, process development of biosimilars, role of crystal engineering in modulating biopharmaceuticals, various novel drug delivery techniques like microneedles and subcutaneous delivery for biotherapeutics, and also regulatory approval process in drug discovery. Speakers will unfold new technologies, new paradigms in drug discovery and development. Keeping in view the national education policy which is coming up, this faculty development program will surely help to upgrade your knowledge, skill, and it also intends to provide training to the faculties who thereafter will impart this knowledge to the student, thereby contributing in making self-sufficient India. I wish all the participants a very happy learning and look forward for having interactive and informative sessions. Thank you all. Over to you, Ali.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to call upon the co-coordinator for the FTP, Dr. Rajni Athavale, Professor and Head of the Department of Pharmaceutics, to introduce our keynote speaker for today, Professor Anant Paradkar.
Professor Ananta Paradkar, sir, is Professor and Director, Center of Pharmaceutical Engineering Sciences, University of Bradford. Sir has completed his pharmacy education and worked in India for around 20 years in academics at Nagpur College of Pharmacy and Bharatiya Vidyapith Pune College of Pharmacy. Sir had joined University of Bradford in the year 2008. Sir has worked on various interdisciplinary collaborative research projects, process development and crystal and particle engineering, developing techniques such as crystallocoagglomeration, melt granulation, sonocrystallization, spray drying of low TG materials and liquid crystal precursors. Sir has generated more than $4 billion funding from agencies and companies. Sir works very closely with companies in the nutraceutical, pharmaceutical and medical devices sector. He is currently working on the application of hot melt extrusion and sonocrystallization to generate co-crystals and has awarded a EPSRS funding and Yorkshire Enterprise Fellowship to strengthen exploitation and impact of this work. Sir has received many grants from AICTE, UGC, DST and Ministry of Defence. He has received an India JSPS International Joint Project on Liquid Crystalline Systems, UK-India Education and Research Initiative Fellowship, Royal Society UK-India Science Network Award. Sir has supervised more than 40 PhD students, published over 247 research papers in high-impact journal with citations of 8,266 and H-index of 46. Sir has 4 chapters on his credit. Sir is recipient of many prestigious awards and accolades. In 2010, Business Innovation Award, University of Bradford, finalist and Yorkshire Forward Innovator 10 Award. In 2009, Sir has received Yorkshire Enterprise Fellowship and Research and Knowledge Transfer Showcase Award for Interdisciplinary Research Presentation. In 2007, Sir has received UK-India Education and Research Initiative Fellowship. In 2006, Bharatiya Vidyapith Best Employee of the University Award. In 2005, Indo-UK Science Network Scheme, which is from Royal Society and DST India co-collaborations. In 2005, India JSPS funded India-Japan Cooperation Program. In 2005, Young Pharmacy Teacher Award by Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India. Now I request Professor Paradkar sir to deliver his keynote address.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
And thank you. First of all, thank you, KMK, for giving me this opportunity to present today for this Atal FDP. Honorable, and it was great to be here when Professor Dr. Mansukhani is here. It is my honor to be keynote speaker for this session. It is really a great pleasure to be when such dignitary, legendary personalities present. Thank you, sir. And it is my honor to be speaker for today's session. Thank you, Professor Principal Urmila Joshi, Mrinal and Rajani Athole.